What up? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today we just gonna hit the mall real quick, see if we're gonna hit the mall today with my brother. We're gonna see if we can find some shoes. We're gonna do a little bit of scatter and see what we can find. And shoes wise, we just gonna see if we can find a new pair. Because low-key, I'm bugging for a new pair. I'm gonna slide out here and grab my brother, and then we gonna slide to the South Hills and see what we can find. I need to find me a little coffee spot real quick before we even hit the mall, or even when we get to the mall. Cause like I ain't get home till like 2 in the morning. I ain't go to bed till like 4 in the morning. It's 11 right now. Like I'm tired. I was up all night editing. That was another problem. Yeah, your boy needs some coffee real quick. Last time I went there was like a week ago. They had some some new stuff in there. Like they started getting Vans. They had some new Nikes in there, but like it was nothing that was catching my eye. But like lately they just been having just straight garbage. But we're gonna see what they got today. See if we can grab some. See if we can grab some Vans, New Balances, don't matter. Alright, so we just pulled in. We about to grab him, and we're gonna put his shoes on, and then we're gonna slide out, grab some coffee, and then we're gonna hit the mall. See what we can find. This motherfucker take forever, bro. Coffee.
I'll say Starbucks right on the street.
I know. I ain't go to bed till like 3.
Some Polaroid, my guy.
Yeah, bullshit Polaroid.
I'll say Starbucks right there. Dunkin' down on 19.
We got our coffee. He's gonna grab some road drinks. Still yet to get to the mall. This might be a while. Who knows? Figure it out. No, look, cause I had a video shoot yesterday, so I took off the first shift. I just took VTO. I just took VTO.
Oh. From what was it? From 5 o'clock to 6. I swear to God, bro. That shit took like 3 days.
I swear to God.
Cause deep.
Oh, okay. I mean, it doesn't hurt to try it out.
Honestly, the mirroring back that even worked. It was too small.
Yeah. I told her she no, because of COVID and stuff, so she didn't think they still did it. That's why. Boy lucked out. Why?
I was scared for my life.
Yeah, they are earrings, yeah.
Okay, I need
Jackass.
Well, so here's the thing. If your buddy over here,
brother.
oh, see? Buddy, brother. See,
Yeah.
exactly that. If, he's nice, since he's already doing a buy one, if you were to buy one A, like one A charm, you could get the other A charm for free.
Okay, cool.
So, that's something that you can also do, too.
Yeah, if he's alright with it, but
That's up to, that's up to
them.
you guys. That's some brother conversation
right here.
Honestly,
It's not all his fault. I got him a sandwich.
You're a good salesperson.
Hey, thank you.
I mean, I was gonna get it either way. Breaking budgets, not hearts. Let's see if Champ's got some heat. I like these ones, but I don't like how it like flaps.
97s.
Yeah, I don't like how the sticker flaps. Well, the check flaps. I don't like the all black Chucks. These are ripped. Look, bro, they ripped on the inside.
Oh, you're mud.
I don't give a fuck.
Boy got the busted Chucks.
I got a brand new. The thing is, I got a brand new pair at the house.
That's probably it.
Ain't Sunday around here. We got Chick-fil-A and road beers.
Road beers and Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, it was a cool little day at the mall. I didn't really get anything I wanted because like they really ain't have anything. Like, I wanted some new shoes. They ain't really had shit. They ain't really had none. I got some little pendants for the necklaces, so that's a little clutch thing. I got one for me and one for my girl. So that's a little plus right there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.